I didn't think it could get any worse, guys. Jeremy Lefebvre has a new hot stock on the block, and today we're going to be talking about it. You would think what happened after Tattooed Chef and all the other bankrupt companies that he's promoted in his little private stock mastermind Discord, that, we'd be a little upgraded by now, but I don't think that's the case. So let's take a wild guess here in the comments section of Jeremy's hot stock of the month. I'm personally going with a really aggressive stock here. It's Coca-Cola, of course. But it appears that Jeremy's mental capacity has been all focused towards the courtroom because the stock he picked is Foot Locker. And if you question Jeremy's morals and fundamentals as I do, hit that subscribe button and I'll show you some real manly stocks on this channel. With all that out of the way, roll the intro.
Hello, I like money.
Alright, so if you guys aren't aware yet, there's a thrilling market opportunity this month. And no, unfortunately it isn't from the 5 companies that I'm buying this summer, which you should go check out, link in the description. But according to Jeremy, the hot stock to buy this month is Foot Locker. At $25 to $40, it offers a great opportunity to add to your portfolio. Here's his investment thesis, guys. Because we all know that Foot Locker is such a high quality company, with an amazing moat around it and great financials, right? In all honesty, guys, Foot Locker isn't a terrible stock, but what is terrible is Jeremy's investment thesis, which we're about to talk about. To start off, guys, this is a value and a dividend play, because we know that Jeremy's such a great value investor and he understands valuation 100%.
Opportunity, oh my gosh, like that's just, woo, crazy. Okay, so 40p, I don't even think is high if we slapped a 40p. So you go ahead and you
This guy just said, on a company that has no earnings, Tattooed Chef back at the time, that paying a 40p ratio was acceptable. And this is the same guy that is charging thousands of dollars for online courses on how to be a stock picker. Fellas, I wouldn't consider myself an amazing investor, Warren Buffett, but I think I know my stuff. I've been doing it for just 3 years now, and even anybody can tell you that a 40p ratio is outrageous. A P ratio on a company that was not profitable at the time. So guys, this is a value and a dividend play, because you guys know I love my dividends on this channel. Also, guys, there's a new CEO, Mary Dillon, in fact, and she's the real deal, according to Jeremy. But wait, what has Jeremy also said about CEOs in the past? More specifically, Sam Galletti with Tattooed Chef. Didn't he say he was the real deal too? Also, guys, valuation. At the moment, 12 PE trailing behind the reconstruction year. That's a very fair valuation. And we all know Jeremy is a master on valuation because he is the master stock picker himself.
40p, I don't even think is high.
So now that we know that Jeremy is the master valuation picker, he understands valuation. He claims that the 12 PE for Foot Locker is fair. Keep in mind a 12 PE ratio for a company like Foot Locker, which is in retail, which is being severely underpriced by the market right now. But under 9p ratio, just 3 extra points? That's way too cheap for something like Foot Locker. Come on, Jeremy says. It's not like Foot Locker has severely underperformed any other stock over the last 5 years, down 52%. It's not like they're closing 400 stores by 2026. They're a growing company. And of course, guys, dividend yield. Jeremy loves his dividends, I'm sure, looking at Tattooed Chef holding. 6% dividend yield just for being in the stock and waiting for the restructure to happen will they close 400 stores? Yes, please. It's not like they just cut the dividend 3 years ago and have a 70% payout ratio and currently are negative in free cash flow and have negative profitability year over year. It's not like that dividend's not sustainable. Of course, there's dividend yield. Alright guys, I'm convinced. We're gonna go look and see why we should join Jeremy's course right now. Number 1, he built nothing from the age of 19 to over $200,000 invested. It's not like that's very achievable if you're somewhat frugal with your money and build up a YouTube channel. He did that in 6 years, and look at dividend data. He's practically done that in 3 years, the right way. Also, guys, he manages 7 stock portfolio accounts. I manage 3, by the way, with some having 7 figures in them. And there is a reason he does not tell you about the portfolio performance in there. Jeremy, anybody can open up a new account at any point in time. So basically, so far, he's just bragged about his net worth and any money that he has probably accumulated through those FTX deals or YouTube ad revenue. And this guy's just like his sell me line. Like, you know how they'll go on Shark Tank and they'll be like, why should I invest in you? This is his, selling line. And guys, he's also a successful B2B business owner. He's a business owner, guys, and he claims he's successful. He's also a successful social media personality with 700,000 subscribers and tens of millions of views. I don't know what's bigger, guys, Jeremy's ego or Jeremy's prison sentence when he gets sued for FTX. And lastly, to sell it off there, he is one of the best stock market, finance, and passive income instructors in the world, with no proof behind it. I already wanted to punch Jeremy's face before this, but after this, we really learned of what kind of a person that Jeremy really is. So guys, there you go. I gave you guys a lot of value in this video, so it would mean a lot if you could subscribe. I told you the next 10x stock, it's going to be Foot Locker, believe it or not. And we learned a lot about what the kind of person that Jeremy is. With that said, Jeremy, my offer still stands to you. I would like to box you next summer, but looking at your FTX court cases, I don't think you'll be boxing me. I think you'll probably be in the prison boxing leagues. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, I do appreciate it a lot. It really means a lot to me, truly. If you're new and you have a similar hatred for Jeremy that I do, hit that subscribe button. We promote real investing over your real man stocks. And of course, guys, thank you for watching. Do dividend stocks, not drugs. Have a good one.